Hello folks, Glen Rock Railfan here at South Orange, and we currently have a South Orange shuttle behind us, and we're going to take this to Secaucus, and that's just going to be today's video. It's quite simple really, because today's the last day of South Orange shuttle operations here at South Orange, so I'll see you folks on the train. Let's get on board. Comet 4, 5236. Quite a nice place to sit down. Probably like So we're now on the train. I moved forward to a Comet 2M, and I think we have a few minutes before departure. They opened up the cars about like 20 minutes before, so we've just been sitting here, but we should get underway soon. I'll show you guys the clips out the window in a second, about now. Departing South Orange now. I think I realized why it's so silent. I think the heating or the air conditioning isn't working, and currently I think we're about to leave Mountain Station. Next stop, Highland Avenue. We're already running, I think, like 6 minutes late. Now.
Orange station now, Roseville.
As if on cue. You know, I gotta say I'm a little impressed actually. We've been moving at a constant pace for the last, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes or so. I think we're still running late, but I think we're heading into Brick Church or East Orange. I forget what the order is, but I think we're approaching that very soon, and we're actually moving at a nice pace, as you can see out the window. I think I'll get back to you guys around Newark or Roseville Avenue. Brick Church.
Now arriving at East Orange Station. This is East Orange.
And here is East Orange Station. Leaving East Orange now. Next stop, Newark Broad Street. Here is the abandoned Grove Street station, and I think Grove Street interlocking of some sort, as I think we are slowing down, if not stopping, as almost all trains do through this area ever since the Maplewood tree incident. Okay, we've definitely entered. I think the cut, you can see the retaining walls there, built by the Lackawanna, or the Lackawanna during the grade separation project. Milepost 9.12, and as it always happens, we stop right before the Montclair Boonton Line merges with us. I love the neck breakers. I think I just checked my phone, and the funny thing is, we were actually running 2 minutes early before we stopped here. So, oh, and we're moving again. I reiterate what I said before, I love the neck breakers. Milepost 9.07. Here's Roseville Avenue station, abandoned 1984 due to low ridership and proximity to Newark Broad Street. Here's an old stairway. And I'll see if I can hold this until we cross over the Montclair Boonton. Here we go, we're merging. Next stop, Newark Broad Street. It took a little while, and after stopping for maybe 2 more times, we're here at Newark Broad Street. Alright, we're now departing Newark. At the risk of jinxing my remaining journey, I think we'll have smooth sailing from here until Secaucus Junction, which will allow me to make my connection to go back home. I'll show you guys another few clips of us at the Kearny Connection, as well as some other clips maybe over Portal Bridge, and then we'll be in Secaucus. Despite all the delays, our train in the westbound direction towards South Orange would still get there faster than the traffic on that bridge over there. Here is the okay, there we are. Here's the abandoned Harrison Station. I think also closed in 1984. You can see the stairwell, I think right about there. You can also see a light. See, there's a local industry to the left, and you will soon see a little spur going off to the left. That's the Kingsland branch, which is owned by NJT Transit, but has been abandoned for a while. We're being switched. I think we shall see the left side. Oh, look at that. And the lights went off as we are doing our current changeover. And up we go. Although we seem to be slowing down, perhaps due to other traffic, or maybe it's just the nature of the connection. Here is the Northeast Corridor. On the left, you can actually see the Meadowlands Maintenance Center. I think we're slowing down for Portal Bridge. You can actually see the American Dream Mall if this building would just clear itself. Yeah, that's American Dream right there, along with the bridge for the main line trains. So some of the industrial buildings there, and the Harmon Cove Towers. And I think we're about to cross Portal Bridge any second now. Oh, hello. They have nice arrows set on the bridge. I think the speed's lowered down to 60 now. It used to be 70. This will be replaced soon enough in the Gateway Project funds. And you can see there the lower Boonton Line, since abandoned, and they might turn into a trail, which I deeply disagree with. Secaucus Junction next. Arriving at Secaucus Junction about now. Here we go. Alright, so we're in Secaucus now. I'll end the vlog in a minute officially. Alright, so I missed a connection down here, but that gives me 20 minutes to practice this goodbye. So that was a pretty quick vlog. I went from South Orange to Secaucus, and I'm in Secaucus now, so that's just the end of it. I'll see you guys in the next one, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Goodbye! The train's leaving. I'll leave you guys off with a shot of that.